Alright guys, we had a couple customers pull up, and some of them are still here, but I'm going to continue to do the video anyway. So 1 second, I'm going to go grab a blade, and I'll be right back. Taking it off and putting it on are pretty much the same process. It's very easy. You just have to get it into the guys, which is a little bit trickier, and then get it to stay on there without it falling on there. So, alright, so same method. You guys can see I've got the teeth facing away from me. Here's the unfortunate part, is now I have to make them face me, because you load it like this. So here we go. Gracias. You have a good one, Benata. All right, so we've got all the blade guards back on. So I don't have a torque wrench just yet. I actually ordered one. That was the wrong one. It was like for 1/8 of an inch. I was like, what the heck is this? But anyway, so you can actually look in the manual for Hudson and they'll tell you if you've put the blade on and you don't have a wrench, get your adjustable wrench, tighten it up, let it have a little play in it. Don't get it dog tight to start with. You don't want it dog tight. You'd rather it be just a little loose. That way you can, when you throttle it all the way up, the band should ride smoothly. It should be flat whenever it's running with lube across it, even without the lube. It should be running flat. So, excuse me, it's a little dry here with all the sawdust. When you throttle it up, the best way I know how to explain it is it starts bellying. It starts going up and down. It gets a belly in it. So if you see that, one of two things is going on. One, stop the machine. Throttle it down, cut off the lube, go over there and check on it. Because one of two things has happened. It's either too tight or too loose. My bet is probably too loose. Let's go over there, tighten it up a quarter turn every time, throttle it back up. I know it's gonna take a minute. You gotta be patient. If you want perfect cuts, you gotta make the preparation perfect. So yeah, perfect cuts, gotta have the preparation perfect. It's easy. It's like preparation H. Real cool. But no, seriously, so that's about it. 9/16, tighten it all up, and here we go. And then once you're done, you're done. We'll throttle it up and down, check it. I probably won't do that on camera, but then after that, you're ready. I always do it right before I take the last boards off. That way I kind of got somewhere to sit down if I want to while I'm doing the blade. But so like we just did these 1x6. I cut on halves, and what I actually did, the boy brought me 5 logs, and I only kept one because it didn't really pull off as much as we were thinking it would. Miscommunications on both ends for that part, but he's still going to get a fair amount of wood, I think. This whole pile right here is his, 1x included. So thank y'all. Like I said, shout out to Hudson Forest Equipment for sending us these free blades to put on here. We hope to help them out and spread their word a little bit. They are great God-fearing people, and we hope that you'll join us and them on our journey, and including the Salvador. Hello, Bella. All right, y'all. Have a good one.